Hello everyone, let's start with BTC and Ethereum analysis for today, onwards 26th of May 2025. Monthly is bullish, as you can see, we already discussed that in previous analysis as well. Weekly, right, weekly we did say that this is the these are the previous this is the previous highest closing, and this was broken by previous weeks multiple twice, and then market did touch the highest last week. And today was Monday, and you can see that I did mention there's a trend line here. And I did say that if it's respected, then most likely the market will go to the upside. And the trend line is this. And if you see more clearly, there's a channel here. So these prices are moving in the channel. And now we have this highest level. It is a 4-hour chart, and daily we didn't have much movement. Went to the upside and then keep coming down. Right. Let's go back to 4-hour. But the prices are moving in the channel, as you can see that. Look, they start from here. It looks like the prices will keep moving in this direction in the channel. In 4-hour, we have this rejection here, which has been tested and market came down. And we definitely can see prices to come here. And with evidence, we can see another buy around here. But that's pretty straightforward. So unless this trend line is broken, we are bullish on the gold. If this trend line is broken, then we can see there is a level here as well. And also, there's a level, this is a psychological level of 100,000. So these are two important levels, and if they're broken, then we can see movement to the downside. So that's it for the Bitcoin. Now let's jump onto Ethereum, see what's happening in Ethereum. Ethereum in monthly, with this monthly huge rejection, we definitely can see the more movement to the upside, especially coming to this area, around 3,000 area, because this is a fair value gap as well. Obviously, these movements are go alongside the BTC. If the BTC is bullish, then we have more possibility of achieving these results because all the assets, crypto assets, move normally with the BTC. So now weekly, obviously, there's a rejection here because there's a supply area here. So that's why there's a rejection here. So and further up, This is a monthly level. So I'll say the prices may consolidate here. They even come to this level here. Going to daily as well, you can see. And this is a daily order block. So I won't be surprised if the price will come this to this level as well. However, okay, we always can get help from moving averages, which I do. So if we can see some crossover here with RSI below 50, we may see possibly to come to these levels here as well. So we can always check in different time frames. So currently there's no clear picture on Ethereum, but what I can see here, if the BTC becomes more bearish, we can see breakdown to the downside. Also, if we plot this fib level, 0.61 already been tested. So that gives us a good indication. And this is 0.61 around this area. So that means it's highly likely the market can go and break this if the BTC remains bullish. And you always look into smaller time frame and see what's happening. As I said, with moving averages, what they are doing here. It's clearly there's a consolidation. If we don't see any big movement in 1 hour or 4 heights with big candles, then we always can see some sort of range around this area. So going on to 4 heights. To become bearish, it has to break this level. But using Fibonacci, we have just checked that it's already tested this in daily 0.61 level here. So as I said, if the Ethereum, sorry, BTC remains bullish, we can see the market go to the upside. But always you can take trades in smaller time frames, like 15 minutes or 5 minutes. You can clearly see trade here, then sell trade here. So you can use RSI as well. But to know more about this strategy, you can always comment, or you can send me a message, and always happy to help with that. Thank you very much. Have a good day. Good night. Bye bye.